Hello there. It is 6 in the morning. I'm in the garden right now. What am I going to do in the garden? As you see in the background, I'm here to harvest corn. Yes, my maize is dried out. Now I need to harvest it. I know it's now raining, and this maize will get. It starts to germinate when it receives the water, and it decays. So I have to harvest it very fast before I make a big loss. So right now I'm in the garden, as you can see. That is my corn called maize. Yeah, I planted a few months ago. Well, it hasn't been that easy because it was stolen. People came and stole, but this is what remains. So I have to harvest what remains and see what I will have to get. So that is it. I'm experiencing the life of a farmer. I need to become a typical farmer. So in this catastrophe where there's no jobs, we have to do whatever we see. We have to do everything with our hands, with our power and mind. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, share the video. A lot of people out there, you use things which they don't know how they produce it. You eat things that you don't know how they produce. But these videos, we have to see how things are done. Right now, I have a pumpkin plant here. I have a pumpkin plant. If you have ever seen a pumpkin and you don't know how its plant looks like, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Yeah. Let me see if there is one pumpkin it has produced so far. And see it. That's a pumpkin plant. Yeah, pumpkin plant. And we have one here. As you can see, we have a pumpkin here. Yeah, it's still young. It's developing. It's growing. So to avoid insects, I have to cover it up. You know, insects like to destroy these things. So yeah, that's it for today. It is still 6 in the morning. I know many are still sleeping, but when you sleep, they say poverty will strike you like a thief. You need to wake up and fight hunger, my friend. I'm sorry. You need to wake up and fight poverty. Use your hands, use your mind, and fight poverty. Thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time, please do so, share, subscribe, and yeah, because I need your support. We need to see how life changes from one step to another. That's it for today. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Wake up, wake up, do whatever your eyes see. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.